Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Hold on a second, I think I'm getting a message.
Well, hello there, Wendy.
Hey Jim, it's my friend Jim from Jim's Kitsch Kitchen.
I wanted to wish you a very happy July. Guess what month it is right now? July is baked bean month. You know what we should do? Let's make something wild with baked beans.
Baked beans? That sounds like fun.
I can't wait to see what you make.
Well, I'm looking forward to see what you make too, Jim. So after thinking about it for a while, I thought I don't want to do anything savory with baked beans. I want to do something sweet. So I thought a baked bean spice cake. How does that sound? For our recipe, what I need to do is combine, oh my goodness, a can of baked beans along with a can of crushed pineapple. And what I want to do is I want to kind of make this into a smooth paste if I can, just to get it so it's not all chunky. I'm going to try and mix this all up together with my immersion blender. Let's see how we do. Some chunks are okay, I guess, but the mixture's pretty smooth. I wonder what it tastes like. All right, so we're gonna get our dry ingredients together. This is 2 cups of all-purpose flour. I have 2 cups of sugar. Pour that in the bowl. This is 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, a half teaspoon of salt, and this is a combination of 2 teaspoons of baking soda and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. I'm just gonna give this a little mix to get everything together before we add in our eggs and our oil. All right, now we have 1 cup of oil. I'm using canola oil here. You can use avocado oil. Any kind of neutral oil is fine. And 4 eggs. I'm gonna beat this at medium speed for about 2 minutes. All right, let's get our baked bean and pineapple mixture in here. And we'll just stir this around a little bit. Oh my gosh, interesting color. Hey, but I'm up for a challenge, right? Now let's take a look. See, this is a mixture. It's an interesting color. We'll see. I've greased a bundt pan, so this is the design that I'm going for with this baked bean spice cake. It's a pretty nice batter. It came together really nicely. Look at how this turned out. Check this out. Look how pretty that is. It's like I don't even want to frost it. But look at, see how when I press in, this means it's really moist. And I think that's because of the baked beans and the pineapple chunks that we put in here. But now let's frost it. Let's give it a little makeover. So I made some cream cheese buttercream frosting, and I'll show you what I want to do. I want to start at the inner part here where it starts to curve, and I want to come around and I want to come down like this and just form these little, almost like arcs. I was so excited to get a dusting of cinnamon on here that I forgot to turn on my camera. I've been known to do that before. So here's the end result, just a little dusting of cinnamon on top. Now, the last thing we need to do is cut into this and taste it. A little nervous. Baked beans, baked bean cake. All right, look at that. It looks really nice inside. All right, here we go. I'm gonna get a little bit of the cream cheese frosting and the cake. Oh my goodness. This is really good. Wow. Really nice texture. I am so surprised. I just didn't know what to expect. Jim, thank you so much for asking me to participate in this collaboration for baked beans and letting me know that it was baked bean month in July. So now what you need to do is you need to go over to Jim's channel and see what he made. Jim's Kitsch Kitchen, and I'll leave a link to his channel in the description below, along with the recipe for this little gem. You really need to check out Jim's other videos as well. Jim is just a hoot. He comes up with all kinds of really interesting recipes, vintage recipes. He portrays different characters, and he's funny and he's uplifting. He'll make your day. So thanks for joining me today, everyone, as we made this baked bean spice cake. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on your notifications so you don't miss out on any videos. I'll see you next time. Have a great day.